Welcome back. Jamaica's Reggae Girlz have booked their spot in the final round of World Cup qualifiers, the Concacaf Women's Championship, after ending the semi-final round perfect atop of Group B, following their 2-0 blanking of Guyana at the National Stadium on Saturday. Christopher Scott tells us more.
Jamaica's Reggae Girlz recorded back-to-back victories at the office in pursuit of World Cup qualification. Captain Khadija Bonishaw got things going early, giving the home side the lead in just the 8th minute of play. However, it wasn't a smooth outing for the Reggae Girlz, as Guyana proved it difficult to break down, frustrating the Jamaicans with disciplined defensive play. Despite creating numerous chances, the hosts struggled with their finishing. However, the girls eventually doubled their lead late in the second half when Shania Hills found the back of the net in the 88th minute, marking her first goal on home soil. Jamaica completed the semi-final stage with a flawless 4 wins from 4, securing qualification for the Concacaf Women's Championship. Head coach Hubert Busby Jr. says he's not overly concerned about the team's lack of conversion, noting that creating opportunities remains a positive sign.
I think it's a situation where now we've got to get over a little bit mental, because we're creating opportunities. The players and the quality is absolutely there as well. So sometimes you can kind of overthink, and I think that's what's kind of happening now. We're overthinking it a bit, and so listen, they're quality players. They'll go back to it. We'll get it right. But again, we'd be more concerned if we're not creating opportunities.
Busby also emphasized that adjustments will be necessary ahead of the Concacaf Women's Championship.
We have to be able to be brave, to want to be able to play, because again, it speaks to the nature of the qualities of players we have. Now, can we go and do that against top 5 opposition? No, it'll be a different sort of game, but we want to be able to at least sort of express ourselves and get on the ball a bit more. And so it'll depend what the game requires. But ultimately, you know, we want to be able to play football the way that we want to as well.
More than 6,000 fans turned out for the match, an increase from over 2,000 who attended the April 10 encounter against Antigua and Barbuda. Goalkeeper Rebecca Spencer says the support continues to motivate the team as they aim to make the nation proud.
I mean, I think it's a crowd that we deserve. I think we've deserved it for a long time. So we appreciate, everyone turning out in numbers today, and we could feel them behind us. They were like the 12th player for us, and they got us to the win. And I think it's important every time we come home and play that we get similar crowds to the games, because as you can see, we do play exciting football. So be it sometimes frustrating, but we'll get there in the end. So we just want to do everyone proud.
The CONCACAF Women's Championship scheduled for November will not only serve as the qualifying tournament for the 2027 FIFA Women's World Cup, but also the 2028 Los Angeles Olympic Games. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.